In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Venmo using a credit card. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. By the way, if you're a business owner, Venmo probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Venmo supports multiple payment methods, including balance, bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. And I'll show you how to choose or add a credit card if needed. To begin, open the Venmo app and make sure you're signed in. On the home screen, tap the Pay or Request button located in the center of the bottom navigation bar. Then enter the recipient's name, username, phone number, or email address. You can also scan their QR code. Once you've selected the correct person, enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the recipient's name at the top of the screen to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a note describing the payment, though this step is optional. After entering the amount, tap the Pay button. On the next screen, you'll see your selected payment method, which is usually your Venmo balance by default. If you already have a credit card linked, simply select it. If not, tap Add Bank or Card. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, security code, and billing information. Once the details are verified, your credit card will appear in your payment methods. After selecting your credit card, review the total amount carefully. Keep in mind that Venmo typically charges a fee when sending money with a credit card, and that fee will be shown before you confirm the payment. When everything looks correct, tap Pay to complete the transaction. That's how you send money on Venmo with a credit card. Venmo is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Venmo offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.